Held Wall Street Willie. What type of fund should I invest in? Index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds? Generally, actively managed mutual funds should be avoided because of their high expense ratios and no guarantee of beating the market. So, you can choose between the passively managed options, index funds and ETFs. If you want to invest in the broad market, you could invest in an index fund or an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. But if you want to invest in a certain sector, you could either put your money in an ETF that invests in that sector or in an index fund that tracks an index related to that sector. For example, if you wanted to invest in the tech industry, you could invest in an index fund tracking the Nasdaq Composite or in an ETF that invests in tech stocks. What costs should I keep in mind when investing in funds? The most important cost to consider when investing in funds is their expense ratio. Expense ratio indicates the operating cost of the fund and includes investment management fee, advertising expenses, legal fees, etc. In addition to the expense ratio, you also need to keep in mind other fees like entry and exit loads, brokerage fees and commissions, etc. All of these costs could significantly lower your investment returns. How can I invest in funds? Most funds can be bought directly from fund companies or through an authorized broker. Buy and sell orders for mutual funds placed any time during the day are processed only after the market closes at the day's net asset value or NAV. It is the same for index funds. ETFs, on the other hand, are bought through a brokerage account. Their price fluctuates throughout the day, and they can be traded at any time during the day at their prevailing market price, just like stocks. Which is better, investing in funds or individual stocks? That's a great question, Super Cooper. We cover that in our video, Direct Investment in Stocks versus Mutual Funds. Click on that video on your screen to learn more. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend! If you enjoyed this video, check out related videos and playlists in the description box below.